Previously on Nora G's Nook, I showed you how I made this beautiful, unique gallery wall idea using some items from the Dollar Tree and also my Cricut. If you haven't watched this video yet, make sure to check it out right after today's video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my page, my channel. My name is Nora G, and today's video I'll be showing you 4 wall decor using popsicle sticks. But first, I would like to state that today's video is sponsored by our friends at Hill Light Candles or Hill Light Homes. I got these 2 beautiful scented candles from Hill Light. As you can see, we have the black one and the white one, Dubai Nights and Mon Amour. These candles smell exquisite, guys. It is very luxurious. The scent is so soothing. It burns very nicely. No dark smoke. I just love everything about this candle. So make sure to grab yours. Check out the link in the description box, and do not forget to use my code NORA20 showing right up on the screen right now to get some 20% off your first order. All right, so check it out and thank me later. Let's carry on. So like I had mentioned, today's DIY is going to be straight to the point. They're pretty easy. These are easy DIY crafts you can do with the kids or even just by yourself to pass some time. Or if you're a crafty person looking to try something new, then I do recommend you doing this. So basically all you would need for this is just some popsicle sticks and then spray paint on your hot glue. That's about it. So to get started, as you can see, I'm making squares using my popsicle sticks. I call these popsicle sticks, but as you could see, these are also used in the hospital, I think. So, well, for the purpose of this video, we will refer to these as popsicle sticks, okay? Alright, to save you some time, I went ahead and made a bunch of this, over 40 different squares for all 4 DIYs we're going to be doing today. Alright, so now that we have all our squares ready, the next parts of this video is going to be pretty straightforward and easy. It's just assembling the different wall art as you can see me do. So for the first one, this is what it would look like. So personally, I think these DIYs are pretty easy. Reason why I have them a little bit sped up. But if you feel that this is too quick for you, you can actually go to the playback speed and reduce the speed. And also you can ask me questions in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Although I use hot glue for this, which holds them pretty well, you could use a stronger adhesive of your choosing. All in all, I used 16 squares for this first DIY. It is up to you. If you want to make this way bigger than I actually have, you could just continue adding the squares. But for this project, we're keeping it simple, and this is what it would look like once we're done. Okay, so the next step after this would be to spray paint this, or just use black acrylic paint and hand paint it. That would be your choice. It's just spray paint is faster, so I went ahead and spray painted this matte black, and this is our final look. What do you think? Please do let me know in the comment section what you think about this wall art, and also at the end of this video I would like to know which of them was your favorite. Now for DIY number 2, I'll be using 10 of these squares. So just watch as I do this. Okay, so again, for this one, I'm keeping it to 10 squares. But like I said with the previous one, if you want it larger, you could actually keep adding the squares. Or ideally, you can make 3 of this to make it as a set of 3 that will look way better on the walls. So once I had it glued together, I went ahead and spray painted some black and some gold, just so that this stands out differently. So the black ones would be the bottom ones, and then I will use the gold ones over them. And this is solely my choosing, so you could choose to keep yours all the same color, or you could actually paint them different colors. It's all up to you. I'm just giving you ideas on what you could do with this. There's so many ways you can go with this. Once we were done, I'm going to go ahead and show you our final look. On display, this is what it looks like. So you do get the drift when I said if you had 2 or 3 of this would look absolutely stunning. I really love how this turned out. So do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. So for DIY number 3, I'll be using 19 squares for this one, as you would see me do. But first, you know the drift. If you've watched right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment down below Hillite Homes. Please do comment Hillite Homes in the comment section and show your girls some love, and do not forget to check out the link to Hillite Homes website where you can purchase candles and candle accessories. Alright, make sure to use my code NORA20 for an extra 20% off. Thank you. A good substitute for popsicle sticks for these DIYs would be Jenga blocks or tumbling blocks. You could put them together and use them for the same DIYs. Those will actually look way more neater than the popsicle sticks. Okay, but nonetheless, popsicle sticks are lighter and it's also fast. So I went ahead and spray painted it black as well, and once that was done, I used these gold mirrors from Amazon to embellish some certain parts of our wall decor, and this is our final look. What do you think? Please do let me know in the comment section which of these was your favorite. Again, I only used 5 small mirrors in this, but you could actually use way more mirrors if you want. This looks very similar to a previous DIY I did using shower curtain rings. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out right after today's video. Alright, so this could actually hang vertically or horizontally. Now let's move on to our last and final DIY. Our last and final DIY will be a mirror DIY. I'll be using a famous mirror from the Dollar Tree, obviously, and 9 squares for this one, as well as some popsicle sticks as well to support. Alright, so I guess you do remember these mirrors. You obviously would have seen this mirror somewhere on my channel if you've been a fervent follower of this channel. So yes, I did see that the Dollar Tree actually have them back restocked. I know a lot of you did complain that they were out of stock. Hopefully they've restocked in your area as well, so do go check it out. To attach this to the mirror, I'll be using popsicle sticks as well, and then just adding them to the squares and then onto the back of the mirror. Just watch as I do this. Alright, so just make sure that before you glue it down, the squares actually do touch each other at the top, as you can see. So although I'm using this mirror from the Dollar Tree, any other mirror of your choosing will actually work for this particular DIY, or no mirror at all. You could just have like a circle cut out from cardboard and have that covered in aluminum foil, and that will work just as well. Okay, so once I have this all done, I'll go ahead and spray paint it black. In case you're wondering, black spray paint is all I have at the moment. So yes, all of our DIYs today will be black. Okay, so I will go ahead to glue the squares where they touch at the top, as you can see me do right now. Just watch as I complete this. Next step will be to spray paint it, and this is our final look, guys. Very easy, very simple, straight to the point. And once again, do comment down below which of the 4 DIYs was your absolute favorite. I would like to know. Well guys, that will bring us to the end of today's DIYs. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.